Hello, today I will show you how to make soft and smooth idli. Take 3 glasses of rice, 1 glass of urad dal and 1 spoon of methi seeds. Soak the mixer for 6 to 8 hours. Then add 1 glass of cooked rice. Grind the mixer to form a batter. Add cooking soda and mix the batter thoroughly. Allow the batter to ferment for 12 hours. In the morning, add salt and mix the batter thoroughly. Oil the idli stand with ghee and pour the batter into it. Steam the idli in cooker for 10 to 15 minutes. Now our smooth and soft Mallige idlis are ready to serve.